So this has been a huge project from the start in a massively challenging location, Piccadilly Circus. The location was incredibly tricky to do work in. We have to scaffold from the ground all the way up, and you know, this is one of the busiest places in London. Also, as part of the installation, we've had to completely rework the structure behind the building. This is not just a screen installation, this is literally reworking the front of the building so that it's detached from the site behind. The brief was to essentially ensure that the screen was separate from the building so that we could undertake a development in the future, and we'd end up knocking down the entire back of the building, but the screen would have to stay in place. That's a huge engineering task and something that I think a lot of people didn't realise.
It's always good working with the Daktronics team. They're very experienced in their field, and we've been on site here for 12 months, but prior to that we had a full year of project meetings and so on. It's just all about getting the right design, working along with you guys so that we can design our structure around your product, but also the fact that it's a curved screen. So our radius has to be worked out for our steel work to be exacting to your radius for the video screen.
We've had over 100 people working on that sign, and everybody from installers to the technological side behind massive structural works, designers, architects. It's been hugely important that the team works together. Daktronics have been an integral part of that, and right from the start they've been there whenever we've needed them, and they've worked incredibly well with not just us but the entire team. It needed to retain its heritage as well as taking that next leap technologically, and I think the format that we have, the layout that we have, and the sequence of the rotational sequence of the brand takes the site. Not only is it the highest quality screen we can fit up there, it's a fantastic platform from which brands can utilise all of the technology that we've put into it. It really is the most technologically advanced screen in the world at this moment.